Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I am going to be unboxing a Chanel unicorn. I am so happy that I was able to get this bag, and it comes with a very interesting story. This is my new Chanel baby. Yes, I already unboxed her. I will be inserting that footage into this video shortly, but I wanted to show you guys how beautiful she is. Amazing story that goes alongside getting this bag. I'm super excited about it. Comes with a little pillow. Go ahead and just take that out. Are you guys ready? Do you see the color? Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Okay, so it is a Chanel mini rectangle. Ta-da! It is a Chanel mini rectangle in sky blue. Ooh! It is a Chanel mini rectangle in sky blue with champagne hardware. How cute is she? She has just the twist closure here at the front. Open, she's blue in the on the interior as well. She has a zipper in the back, and then she does have the moon pocket in the back as well. You're able to wear this as a shoulder bag. There is also an insert that you can buy to, all twisted up. There's an insert that you can buy, and I don't suggest, so for example, I do not suggest, some people do this, where they'll like double it up like this, but it actually damages the corners of your bag. But there is a little thing that you could buy to go onto the inside of your bag, where you could pull these in like this, and then clasp them together so that you can adjust the length of this strap so that you can wear it as like a shoulder bag as well. So I will be purchasing that for this bag, but also you can just tuck all of the chains inside of the bag. Ooh, how cute is that? And then just wear it as a clutch as well. Super cute. So this is the mini size, square rectangle, champagne hardware like I was saying. Really nice, kind of like a soft gold. The sky blue, sometimes it appears purple, but I do believe that it is showing up true to color here. Just such a gorgeous bag. So beautiful. Just take a look at how beautifully constructed this bag is. I do find that it looks so nice against like black. It's such a nice pop of color. I usually am not into color, but this is a goodie. I'm definitely super excited. I'm wearing silver hardware today, so in comparison, you can kind of see as well that it's not super gold. I really like that about this bag. But I'm gonna tell you the story in terms of how I was able to get my hands on this bag. I'm just gonna put her down. Funny story in terms of how I was able to get my hands on this Chanel goodie. In January of 2020, I did put my name on a wish list, and the wish list did include this specific bag. Although everyone was like, good luck trying to get that bag. It's a Chanel unicorn. You're not gonna be able to get your hands on it. There is this Instagram page that goes around to stores and they show you sale items, but also unicorn items that they're able to get their hands onto. They do shop in my store here in Calgary, Alberta. So I was scrolling through, actually my friend was scrolling through the page. She sent it to me and I was like, meh. Every time I see them with a bag, I can never get my hands on it. No, I'm not doing this again. I always get heartbroken over it. And so I called my mom. I was like, Mom, I saw the bag. She's like, you better go and figure it out. You better figure out how you're gonna get that bag. Go and get it. So the store was about to close. I think it was like maybe 2 hours before close. This was a Sunday. I was bumming it that day. I was laying in bed. I was just like chilling out. 2 hours before close. So I'm calling the Chanel store. No answer, no answer, no answer. I'm calling, I'm messaging my SA. No answer, no answer, no answer. So the Chanel boutique here is inside of Holt Renfrew. So there's an SA that I know there, and thank you to her for being able to get this bag for me. And I said, hey, there's a Chanel bag, a blue square rectangle that you guys have in store. I want it. She's like, okay, I'll go over to Chanel. She's not able to sell Chanel, by the way. I'll go over to Chanel and see if I can get that bag for you. I was like, okay, call me back. She sends me 2 pictures. She sends me pictures of wallets on chain. And I was like, no, 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 no. It's not a wallet on chain. And she's like, they said that they don't have any bags. And I was like, me being smart, when I saw the girls in the store on their live showing the bag, I screenshotted it. And I sent her that picture. And I said, they have the bag. It's there. This was taken at this time. Look at the screenshot. They have it. All of a sudden, the bag magically appeared. And she said, if you can get here before the end of the day. Now, this was like a whole hour later. Now I only have an hour to get to the store, which is about 30 minutes away from my home. And get dressed, by the way, to go down there and get the bag. She's like, if you can get here before the end of the day, then it's yours. So I was on the phone, I jumped up, I threw on clothes, literally must have looked a hot mess, and ran down to the store and picked up the bag. It was a very magical moment for me in terms of getting my hands on not only my first Chanel bag, but on a Chanel unicorn. As this bag only has one large section inside of it, I probably will be opting to purchase a bag organizer for this just to make the most use of the space. But despite that fact, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what fits inside of this bag. It is quite roomy, and from my understanding, in comparison to the mini rectangular does fit approximately the same amount. So something that's essential to me is definitely my key pouch. I put cards in this side, and then I just have my keys attached to that. Hand sanitizer, of course, very important. Lip chap. I have a lip gloss as well. My AirPods. And then a face mask that I will just go ahead and put in there. It does have a back zipper, although I usually don't put anything into that section. Now, the bag is not completely filled. There is still quite a bit of room, and if I were to organize it just a little bit better, then I'm sure I could fit more items. It does close quite easily there. Definitely a super fun bag. I'm super happy that I was able to get my hands on this little Chanel unicorn. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section below what color Chanel bag that you would be interested in. I don't want to hear black or beige. I want you to tell me about a little bit of color. If I am pushing the limits, you can push them too. Don't forget, my socials are down in the description box below. If you want to see more on my everyday life, then definitely follow me over there. You can see more of my craziness over there. I look forward to connecting with you all. See ya! Oh, my pants need to come up because I got rolled. I can't do all that. But I think this is cute. Now I'm wearing my $7 crop top in a Chanel bag. $7 crop top and a Chanel bag. That's how you do it. That's how you afford the Chanel bag. Buy $7 crop tops and a Chanel bag. And a blazer that I've had forever.